Hello everyone, this is EduTechTube with another quick tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to open password protected PDF documents for free. Let's say you want to open a PDF document like this and this is asking for a password. If you don't know the password, you can go to browser and type ilovepdf.com. In this site you need to find unlock PDF. Select PDF file. Select PDF file you want to open, which is password protected. Okay, now press unlock PDF button. Okay, this is already unlocked. Let's download and check. As you can see, the PDF does not ask for password anymore, so the password has been removed. Thanks guys for watching as always. I'm looking forward to catch you in my next videos.